How to create an add-on domain in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to create an add-on domain. Click the Add-on Domains icon. This is the Add-on Domains page, where you can set up additional domain names that point to subdomains of your account. Enter the new domain name, then enter a username. Enter and confirm a password, then click Add Domain. That's it. The add-on domain has been created. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create add-on domains in cPanel.